Good morning, student. Today we'll study the other part of the first lesson of class 10. The topic is soil as a resources. We know that soil is the most important renewable natural resources. The medium of plant growth, support different type of living organism on. We know this is the soil profile, topsoil which is present on the uppermost part of the layer. It contains the humus and other dead parts of plants and animals. Subsoil with the rocks and sand, silts, clay soil, this mud. And the third origin is substrata, weathered parents rock and unwithered rock that cannot be broken away. From this, the water cannot be seeped inside the earth. So this is the making of soil profile. Now next up, we just continue the topic. The reason of the earth, there are millions of years of soil up to few centimeter depth due to the slow process of wind, water and temperature that makes the rocks to be broken away, relieve parent rocks and bed rocks due to the reason of climatical reason, vegetation means plants and trees, other form of life like time, important factors. These are the important factors like temperature, action of running water, wind and glacier. These are the activity in which the soil is formed due to the hard blow of the wind, water or rain, heavy rain. Even chemical and organic changes which also take place in the soil equal to the importance. Now the next topic is classification of soil. We know classification in our India, there are very relief features like landform, climatical realms, vegetation type have contributed developed of various type of soil. Some were made by the wind, some were made by the heavy rainfall due to heavy hot temperature like region of Rajasthan and the heavy very heat temperature in the continental region of Madhya Pradesh, semi-arid region, and the black soil which is lava plateau region due to the volcanic activity in the olden ages. There are several volcanoes that erupt for many years and that form a black lava plateau region. Now the first type of soil that we are concluding alluvial soil. We know the Himalaya river system, the Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, they washed away the mountain region, and alluvial soil is formed in the bottom of Himalaya region. Even the coastal region like delta of Mahanadi, Godavari or Krishna Kaveri region, these are the Mahanadi region and Godavari and Krishna region and Kaveri region. These are the soil made by the rivers in the eastern side. And this is the region of plain region where the alluvial soil are mostly formed. The region of Punjab, Haryana, northern part of Rajasthan, the region where the Chambal river is there, and the part of the Gujarat and Saurashtra, and the region of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Bengal, and narrow strips of the Brahmaputra region of Assam and West Bengal, Odisha. We already have told you by Mahanadi rivers, Godavari and Krishna in the Andhra Pradesh, and Kaveri, the region of Tamil Nadu. This is the plain region of India where the alluvial soil is formed. They consist of various proportion of sand, silt and clay, as well as the region having a valley region. There are break up slope, these cores such as Dwaos, Chorus or Terai region which are found in the upper part of the eastern or western part of the Uttar Pradesh. Terai region already where this region where also the trees were cut down, where the refugees of the from the Pakistan when they come from after the independence, different from Pakistan. They were settled in this region of Terai region. Some area were cut down. According to this age, alluvial soil is classified into two types. Alluvial Bangar. Bangar is the oldest alluvial soil, northern part of the southern part of the region, that is Bangar. And the Khadar is new alluvial soil. That is very fine soil which is very fertile in region of the northern part of the region of Ganga river. And Bangar is the concentrated conquer nodules, and that's why the Khadar is very fertile soil other than the Bangar soil, which is the south of the Ganga river. Now the next soil is the alluvial. Also, it is very helpful for growing sugar cane, paddy, wheat, and other cereal pulses crop. Due to fertility, the alluvial soil is cultivated densely populated area in our India with the proper way of irrigation system. Some more area which is alkaline region where we cannot be, that can be done. Now the black soil, I have told you that this is the region of the Deccan region that is the some part of the Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and some legal part of the Karnataka. This region is black soil. Black soil ideal for growing a cotton, also going for black cotton soil. Typical Deccan trap as a made up of basalt region. Northwest Deccan plateau is made up of lava flow. That's why the plateaus of Maharashtra and Saurashtra. These are the region of where Malwa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, I have told you, this extend to the Godavari and Krishna Valley region. Next, we will continue in the next class.